Hi there, everybody. Z here. I am a member of the Per Lemon SEO team, and today I thought it'd be a great starting point to show you guys some of the tools I use every day in order to ensure that my clients get the best possible services they can. Right? I'm a WordPress developer by trade, and today I thought I would just take you through one of the programs I use every single day in case you are thinking about getting into SEO, web development, or WordPress development, and don't know where to start. Right? I know it's a difficult thing for some people to get into. Most people always starting off with the HTML and CSS and JavaScript side of things. But I thought, you know what? Why don't I show you guys where I got my real start in web development and just bring this tool forward to a few more people who have never used it before or might not have heard of it. Over the coming days, if you could smash that like button and subscribe, that'd be great. You'll be hearing a lot about me as I bring you more tutorials, videos, and breakdowns of the various intricacies of web development and how it's been changing over the last couple of years. Okay, so to start off with, I'll be showing you guys this here, right? This over here is called Local. It is a local WordPress server that you can download for free that allows you to basically host websites on your computer, edit them as if they were live, download them, export them, and then upload them to your client server whenever it is time to go live. It is an incredibly powerful tool, and I've been using it for years. It's just been getting better and better. And it is, I think, the best place for any beginner to start off with. All right. To do this, you're just going to click download for free. You're going to choose your platform of choice. For me, it's going to be Windows. You're going to fill in your information here, and then you're going to click get it now. The download file is around 700 megabytes, so it shouldn't take you too long. I've already downloaded it. Once you've downloaded, you're just going to click install, click along to all the various pop-ups, and then finally, once everything is done, this should be what you see. All right. This over here is basically the homepage. As you can see here, there's a profile here. There is connected to different servers. There are a variety of tools here that you can mess around with in your free time. But for now, we're just going to focus on local sites. All right. Just to show you guys how it looks, we're going to click on create a new site. The cool thing about Local is that it is an incredibly powerful tool where you can create a new headless WordPress website. You can create it from a blueprint using a blueprint that you either downloaded or created it. You can install a website you've downloaded off the web using this section over here. But for now, we're just going to create a brand new website. All right. For this example, we're just going to call it Bob's New World. And if you are a bit more advanced, you can click down here. You can see over here where exactly the site, local site domain will be, basically when this is running. This is basically your URL on your PC. And this is basically where it's going to be pulling and saving all that information from. Usually it will be on your C drive under the local sites with the then title page of your website being right at the end. We're going to click continue. Here is a really nice feature of this. You can either choose the preferred default settings, or if you want to be a bit more fancy, you can choose your custom PHP version, your web server architecture, as well as your database architecture. For now, we're just going to run preferred. Continue. Here, you're just going to create a quick login details for the website. I highly recommend that you get into the process of filling in this information and creating a decent password from the get-go. All right. Also, I'm not going to change the WordPress email, but you can see here, is this a WordPress multi-site? Yes or no? You can choose whatever you need to explore with there. I'll just click no for now, and then we're going to click add site. As this is running, you'll get some pop-ups asking you to allow it through your firewall. If you would like to do that, that's all up to you. Just click yes when command prompt pops up. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you don't have to. It might break some things later on, but in the end, if you're just practicing, it's a great tool. Sometimes you'll get an error like this. This is due to the web server not working properly. If you get that error, just click on Apache, apply changes, give it a second, and then everything should be working. If we click on Open Site Now, you will see that we are going to get a brand new WordPress installation. We're going to click Continue. You're going to fill in all the information that is required. I'll just pause for a second and fill that in. Once you've filled in all the information and you click install, you will get this pop-up over here. Right? Then what you're going to do is, I'll save this here for now for simplicity. You will just click on login. You will fill in whatever information needs to be filled in. Just click remember me, and then you will just log in. And there you go. If we go up here and we click on visit site, you will see that this is a brand new WordPress installation from scratch on your computer that you can mess around with to your heart's content. Tomorrow, I'll be going through some of what is actually happening on here, some of the local lingo, and just some of the simple things that allow you to slowly start to understand what all of these actually means. I'd like to thank you for your time, ask you again to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all tomorrow.